Please give us the evidence right now. You don't have.
Before our time ends for this morning session.
If this county fails, one, it is because of finance status. And this one, we are not able to get the finance status in good time for us to plan.
The committee, looking at the body language, it is the normal theatrics of professors who thinks that members of the assembly, not simply because they are not learned like them, they are better than the members that are representing the people of this county. Honorable Speaker, it is clear from the evidence that the professor have totally failed to convince this Honorable House, and the matter having been executed by a serious committee on the Committee of Finance on budget implementation, Honorable Speaker, on several occasions.
This County Assembly confirms that Professor kĩgĩna is a content of the County Assembly. And two, this County Assembly recommends that appropriate action be taken against Professor kĩgĩna in accordance with the provisions of Section 22, Subsection 3 of the County Assembly's Powers and Privileges Act 2017 and Section 40 of the County Government Act.